should tell Hiccup what we're doing. This doesn't feel right.
No, we agreed.
I've never lied to him before.
I know, but this is the best way to take the dragon hunters down, from the inside.
Hiccup could help us. He's really good at this stuff.
He also cares too much.
I get that, but
I'm this close to getting to Vigo. I can't quit now.
I really hope you're right. Because if any of the riders got hurt, or you got hurt because I held something back,
Nothing will go wrong. Trust me.
There's with us!
What did you just say? We're supposed to be a team, Astrid.
I know. I should have told you. I wanted to. I really did.
But you didn't.
I'm sorry.